Hello, we are Team Apps, and I'm Henry, and also have Carter, Noah, Abby, and Madison. And so this is our robot.
Our robot is mainly made to be short enough and small enough to fit under and through the pull-up bar, and the brain is tilted at an angle so it's easier to control, and also it's further back so that we can lift and push down more weight without tipping over. Then we have the middle motor pretty centered on the bot so that we can swap out different attachments to do different missions with.
Our program, so we used to have like 4 separate programs, but then we put them all into the same program and tied buttons to them so we didn't have to keep scrolling through programs. And we used the gyro sensor to bring all our programs together. And each of these blocks are define blocks, which should define our movement blocks that we kind of just use as movement blocks. And it works by like setting all the stuff up, and then this repeats this program until a certain amount of rotations have been reached, and then this makes sure it goes in a straight line. And these all are just different versions of that.
This is the bench mission. So it pretty much just, it moves forward, and then the front attachment lifts up the bar on the bench, and then it just goes back to home base.
So for the bench cubes, the robot moves forward and turns a bit at an angle and drops the cubes after the bench is laid down, and then also drops the innovation project and comes back.
For the treadmill, it seems like it's really simple, and it doesn't require any attachments, but it was quite hard to line up because it had to be lined up very precisely, or else it wouldn't work that well. But eventually, we've gotten it to work quite well.
Triple Threat was originally 2 different programs. The first one is the weightlifting machine that pretty much just moves in a straight line from home, then turns at a right angle and pulls the bar down, and then returns to home. But Abby helped me change it to include the second mission, which was going under the pull-up bar and ending on the dance floor at the end of the run. So now it goes from home, does the weight machine, and then it goes backward through the pull-up bar and goes back through forward, turns, and finishes on the dance floor. And it also does the bocce ball mission.
Any questions?